How to set up the chroma load at 1 ampere constant load current. So let's start. This is power on switch. Okay. This is mode already select. We can go to local, it may be remotely. So now this is in local mode. This is mode of this. So now we put constant current. Now go to edit. Okay, now cursor is here. Put the cursor at the current. It is already set. You can down and increase the current by this, and you can shift the digit by this arrow. Okay, so it has been set 1 ampere, and the voltage will be shown power supply voltage. This work only as a load, and we set here 1 ampere load here, and then enter press key, enter. Okay, we enter. Now we set this is the input. Okay, we will put here supply input. Now we set the supply at some voltage and current. So this is the supply. So you can show here this is off right now. This is the on off switch. Okay, you on off here, and this is the current voltage setting switch. Press it, and now it is on current mode. So you can put the current. You can press the limit, and its limit is 4.6 ampere. So you can down the limit at 1 ampere. Yeah, 2 ampere you can set. I will set here 2 ampere. It can provide 2 ampere. Now we will set the voltage. So now it shift on voltage. So we can set the voltage here. Press, move this. We set the voltage 5. Now we off the output. Okay, we off the output. Now दे दीजिए wires to connect the load, supply and load. So this is black wire, put it at the negative, and this is red wire. So here showing 0 ampere. We have set here compliance 2 ampere current, but now there is a no current, no load, so it is showing 0 ampere. And I put here, I done the connection, this connection and this connection. Okay, now at chroma load I press the load switch. So load will on and it will draw the 1 ampere current. So you can see here I switch on the load here, and it is drawing 1 ampere current. You can see. Again I off the load, so it is 0 ampere current is taking. Now I switch on the load again. Now it is taking 1 ampere. So this chroma load is working as a load, and 1 ampere load we set it. 1 ampere load we set on it, and it is called electronics load. Thank you. In the next video we will see how to set the chroma load at constant current, constant resistance load. In this video we set the chroma load at constant current. In the next mode we will set it as a constant resistance. Okay, this is the constant current. This will be constant resistance here. Thank you. If you if you like this video, so please like and subscribe my video. And if you got something from this video, please like and subscribe my video and wait for the another video and press the bell icon for the next video. Thank you.